Hello, planner friends. My name is Sarah, and I love sharing tips and tricks to help you stay optimized and organized and have fun at the same time. Today, I'll be planning for the month of November in my 7x9 Verbal Weekly Planner by Erin Condren. I also did planning in my A5 Daily Duo off screen, and I'll show you how it turned out. But I really wanted to show you how I plan my entire month, my dashboards, my monthly view, like everything that I account for the month. It's a lot, especially with so many life changes that I'm going through right now. I need to just stay on top of everything. Speaking of life changes, I am sorry that I fell off the map for so long. I had a ton going on. I quit my job. At the same time, I was starting a new one. I got a lot of work for my bookkeeping business, which I am so eternally grateful for. But yeah, it took some time off of being able to do this, which is upload to YouTube. So I am so sorry, and I probably should have explained, but I just kind of like got caught up in the whole mess and I just needed some time off. So I took the time off from everything, but I'm back and ready for this month. This is a really exciting month for me because I'm working from home and I got this new chair, which I absolutely love. I will link it down below because it's like the best thing I've ever purchased. I'm also going to link every item that I use down below. I do get a little kickback if you purchase using my links, but it's mainly for you to see what I use in case you want to use something similar. Well, without further ado, let's jump right in. So let's get started with the monthly view. I'm going to be coming in with this Sticker Guru Foiled Monthly Kit. And y'all, I will probably use these kits until the end of time. It's just so practical for me. They're so beautiful. This is the date sheet, like the month sheet, and then a functional script sheet with some icons, deco, date dots, and like the full boxes, quarter boxes, half circles. Then you have like the sidebar cover with a few little elements and quarter boxes. And then I am going to get a little fancy this time around, and I have some of these Sticker Guru like date covers. So I thought they were super cute and I could use them in this monthly. So I wasn't sure which one to use, and there's not a lot of elements. I just wanted to use these date dots because I think they elevate it, and I chose the pumpkin one. All those leaves were pretty cute. So I am going to go in and just kind of like use my correction tape to white out. White out is like such a term from like a 2000s kid. So yeah, there's no need for me to cover all of it. I just like to cover the top, the part that will be showing. Even if a little bit does go through, it doesn't bother me too much. And this sticker paper is pretty thick. It's like a vinyl. So I think it really does a good job of covering for the most part. And then I like to go in and cover the days that are not part of this month. And y'all, I made a little oopsie. So I'm just going in and fixing it with my tweezers. And there you go. Straight as it can be. I didn't have like extra covers, so I'm just using like a full box to cover that day that is not part of this month. And going in with my deco sidebar. My deco sidebar has changed over the years. Like, I could not understand why people would just like cover this up. It should be functional. We should have a list there. But over the years, I'm like, you know what? This is beautiful. I like to leave these 4 half circles there to have 4 main things I want to see in the month. And that helps keep me focused because I'm only seeing those 4 things, not a giant to-do list. So the most important things go there, or most important events, just for me to get excited. Either way, I'll just mix those. Whatever is important to me that month. Now I am going to set down my November sticker, and I just love these stickers. I love how you can mix and match, although I never do. Like, I always keep the actual date with its intended kit because I just think it's perfect. Like, this is a very perfect kit for November. And then I'm just going in with this super cute Hello November because I really have nothing to put in that box. Now I'm setting down the days of the week. I broke Tuesday and I tried to fix it and it didn't work. I'll just try to ignore it. It's not too bad, right? So while I am setting this down, I wanted to come back and just really thank y'all for your patience. I am sorry I totally ghosted y'all. I haven't been in the best of places these last couple of months just because I was seriously running on fumes. Like, I had like a full-time job. I was at my job like from 9 to 6. It wasn't terribly high stress, I would say, but it just kept me there all day. And then I came back and had to work on my house and work on my business. And then I really love to plan, so I would plan, but I didn't have a lot of time to do it. So it's been really difficult for sure. But as I mentioned, like, I quit my job and that was on October 18th. So I took 2 weeks to just relax. For the last couple of years, I would say I've been like up and at 'em, go, 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 do all the things. And I just needed some time to like just be me. So I really relaxed. I watched TV without feeling super guilty. And I'm really happy. I'm really excited. Right here, I actually stole a payday sticker from another kit because I didn't have enough, and I'll probably just use icons when I plan that month. I'm going in with like these little watercolor backgrounds and then adding like the holidays or specific things that are happening on those days. And I'm just going to finish setting those down. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for your patience. And I'm sorry, I didn't mean to just leave like that. I probably haven't posted since like September. I can't remember. But I have a lot of things planned for the channel. I have a lot of exciting videos that I'm working on because I love planning. I love being productive, but also finding that balance to rest, which I did. Now I'm going in with some icons to mark the bills. Unfortunately, you can't really find these anymore. These are like Kylie design stickers, and I've been saving them for like very special occasions because I won't be able to get them anymore. And I feel like November is my month. Like, it's the gratitude month where you go back in, reflect on the year, and you kind of say, okay, I am so thankful for this that is happening. So let me know in the comments. I know this is cliche, but what are you thankful for? This is just like a quick bill map that I made on a calendar. I just wanted to know where my bills were at since I finally had some time to map them out. So yeah, what are you thankful for? Because I am so thankful for a lot of things. For one, I finally like escaped the corporate office. My life is truly changing around. Like, I'll have more time to work on Sarah's planner. I'll have more time to work on my business. And my actual job is from home, and it's something that I can manage. Like, there are days that I'm going to be working a lot, and there are days where the work volume will probably be lower. So I'm just kind of getting my life together again, and November is the time to do that. I haven't planned for 2025. I usually plan for 2025 like around October, and I usually have like the setup videos for y'all. This year, this has been delayed because I needed some time to rest, and then October was just, it was insane. Like, I was working my full-time job, had client work. I was all over the place, and I could not focus on planning, which is a bummer because I love planning so much. Like, I just need to do my yearly planning. So hopefully I'll have that video for y'all soon. I'm going to be doing several set of videos because I'm setting up several planners for next year. Now I'm just going in and filling out all of the information, and since these are vinyl stickers, you can't really use regular pens like gel pens or felt tip. These are the micro perm, they're permanent markers. So I am going to enter all of that there, and I have these other icons that are super cute, and I'm going to use them to mark like specific trips that we are taking that we kind of already planned. So like on the 9th, we're going to see some caverns, and then on the 16th, we're going to go camping, and I'm so excited. There's a small business expo in Austin, and I will be attending for my bookkeeping business, so I'm really excited. This is how my monthly view turned out. The little pumpkin date dots just make it so cute. I don't know why I'm like so happy right now just seeing that. It is super adorable. I'm just gonna go in and finish a few things that are important. I love how this page is coming along. This is my monthly overview page, and I kind of do like a theme of the month at the top, and then like 3 things. I'm going in and I'm still filling this out. We will probably be traveling around Thanksgiving. We shouldn't have planned it right now, but I mean, it's probably going to be like camping or something. I don't know, something that we can do during Thanksgiving, or I don't know. We are still working on that. And then I'm going to go in and set and work on my dashboards. I love my dashboards. Actually, I have a surprise for y'all for my setup videos. I am no longer using this vertical planner by Erin Condren. I'm using a monthly planner instead. And that is because I realized I'm not using the weekly views anymore. I'm more of a daily planner now because I just have like so many things that I need to break down during the day, especially being at home. So I've figured out I'm not using this planner as much, so I'm going to move into my monthly planner, and it's the same thing. I love my monthly view. I love my dashboards. I am going to have so many dashboard pages in the monthly, which is great because this is what I've been most consistent with. Like, I usually plan my monthlies and just get into it. Like, I come back about every week, maybe, if not every week, like at least 3 times during the month. I come back, and at the end, I definitely fill out whatever hasn't been filled out. Here, I'm just using a Zebra click art pen, which I'm loving right now. Oh no, it's actually an Erin Condren one. Yeah, but they're very similar to the Zebra pens. I just saw the little Erin Condren on it. Yeah, and then some dot markers to just make lists. I have to really plan out my purchases this month because it's Black Friday and I don't want to overspend, but there are a few things that I want to take advantage of. And then just my goals. And this is after it's been filled out. I did it off camera, have like a little like journaling spot, and then all of my goals go here. And then I just kind of write down some action items for my goals and then what I'm currently doing. So I really, really love these dashboard pages. This is my A5 Daily Duo, and I also do like a monthly spread on this. So this is how it came out. I did it off camera. But what I did is I just like covered the dates that we're not going to be using. And then there's a to-do list. Here's my to-do list. So this sidebar is functional. And then I just do like my workouts. Like I map out my workouts. And then I don't use this monthly view like I do the other one. I do add like some important dates just so I know like birthdays, because sometimes I don't want to pull out my other planner. So there is information that I duplicate, but for the most part I use this like for mapping out workouts and mapping out different things that I have to do that day. Like, you know, I need to do my dog grooming, and sometimes, you know, I need to do different things like brush their teeth and things like that. So that's how I use it. And then my dashboard, these are my goals. They're also the same ones. Events that are happening. I have like a theme of the month and some like journaling. I bought some like tape and washi tape from Hello Petit Paper, and this like super cute kit. So I've been using that. And then I have this Q4 check-in. I actually made this in October, but I moved it to November because this is still Q4. I'm still working on this.
and then like a Q4 to-do list. And y'all have seen this, but it's like my Kanban board that I do to write things that I'm working on. And then I have this other notes page that I made for the November achievements. So I'm really excited about that. For October, honestly, like I did something very similar. I try not to like buy kits for this. So it's very similar. It's like the Hello Petite paper tape and the stickers. This was like her anniversary bundle. So I did something really similar, and then I just took out the page that was here for the Q4 check-in and I stuck it in November. So these are also a few projects that I have going on. They're my project sheets and some things are misspelled. But I am really liking using this planner because I have a bunch of stuff that I'm working on, and this just helps it. And then like my seasonal cleaning. So there's a lot going on here, but I just wanted to show you how this looked because it's important and still part of like my monthly planning process. And then last but not least, I do have like my wall calendar, and a lot of information here is repeated, and it's mainly for my husband to see where we're at, what we're doing, what our PDs are, if we have any planned travel. So yeah, that's like, I just wanted to go over everything else that I do apart from my monthly view in my 7x9 planner.
So that was it. That was my monthly planning for the month of November. Let me know in the comments what you're thankful for and what are your plans for this month. Are you going to do anything for Thanksgiving if you live in the US? I still have no idea. I mean, we know we're going to buy like our Thanksgiving dinner from HEB, but I don't know if like we're going to travel or anything like that. So it's still a little up in the air, but I am really, really excited for this month, for what it means. My whole life is changing truly. So definitely let me know in the comments how you feel that almost, the end of the year, and how far along are you in your planning. I need to get my life together for 2025. If not, I'll feel like a total mess. Stay tuned for all of those planner setup videos that are coming up, and just like my planning system for 2025. I'm gonna be doing goal planning, vision boards, you name it. A lot is going to happen in this channel in the upcoming months. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more content, especially all of this end of the year content. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope to see you around. Bye.